Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see that I have applied the scrub and cream that I made and how soft, bright and clear my skin looks. So let's start the video. For any beauty hacks, rice is my favorite. It's like my holy grail. So first of all, we are going to take 4 tablespoons of rice. We need to wash it properly and then we are going to soak it in water for 3 hours. Nutritional and mineral rich rice has been known as one of the traditional skin lightening remedies. It has amino acids and vitamins present in the grain that act as clearing agent and controls the shine of the skin. So as you can see, I have grinded the rice with water and now we are straining it. We need the rice water for preparing our cream, and the rice that has been grinded, we will use it in our scrub. As you can see that the rice water is quite thin in consistency, we need to cook it to make it creamier so that we can apply it easily on our face and that it stays. So now we are going to take a non-stick pan and put the rice water in it and cook it on low flame until it becomes a little bit thicker and creamier. So as you can see, you have to just stir it and cook it until it becomes a little bit creamier. Makes your skin clear. It absorbs all the sebum and leaves your skin clean, smooth, and re energized. It helps to flake off the dead skin cells and leave your skin very smooth and soft. So now you can see that it has become creamier, and now we are taking it out in a clean bowl where we are going to mix other ingredients with it, and then our rice cream will be ready. So the first ingredient that we are going to add in this rice mixture is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel, as you all know, hydrates your skin. It is a very powerful ingredient for skin lightening and whitening because it removes your skin tan and it also hydrates your skin. So yeah, and now I'm going to add 5 to 6 drops of tea tree oil. This is totally optional. I have some blemishes, so if you want a very glowing glass clear skin, you can add tea tree oil. Tea tree oil also helps reduce pimples. So the third ingredient is vitamin E capsules. Vitamin E capsule gently works on the skin, resulting in healthy and beautiful skin. Another powerful ingredient that we are going to add is glycerin. Glycerin moisturizes your skin, it removes fine lines, dead skin, and it moisturizes your skin. It makes your skin glass-like and flawless. As you know that winter has arrived and our skin is becoming dry and flaky, so this cream will really help in moisturizing your skin any without any side effects, and this cream is for all skin types. All you have to do is store it in a clean jar and simply refrigerate it. So now we are going to make our DIY scrub with the leftover rice. Now we are going to add coffee in it. Hair rice has been used for scrubbing purpose, and as you know that coffee makes your skin firm, it removes tan, and coconut oil also moisturizes your skin. So this concoction really helps in removing your dead skin cells, and it will bring out a new, brighter, clearer skin. Coconut oil helps the skin maintain and produce collagen that will help to make new skin cells. Coconut oil also helps to reduce the fine lines and wrinkles. So now our scrub is ready. Just simply apply it on your hand, face, feet, wherever you want it. You can also apply it on your body. If you're applying it on your face, just be gentle. Massage in circular motions and all your dead skin will be gone. Scrub is simply amazing. It will help to remove all the dead skin cells from your hand, face and body. After you have done scrubbing, just leave it to dry, and once it has been dried, it will need just 10 minutes to dry off. Once it has been dry, just remove the dried mixture and you can see your bright skin is already here. You can see my skin was getting very flaky and dry, and now all the bright skin can be seen. This scrub works amazingly for my skin. It removes all the dead skin cells and it makes my skin very soft. As we are having winters, you need to take care that You do not scrub too much and you need to moisturize your skin. That's why we have made a rice cream that is going to work amazingly for the moisturizing purpose and skin lightening, brightening and whitening purpose as well. You have to use a scrub only once in a week, and you have to apply the rice cream after washing the scrub off. You have to apply the rice cream, and you have to apply the cream twice a day, and once in the morning and once before going to bed. You will be shocked with this amazing cream results. Apply it and you will see the results in just 1 week. So here are the results for my skin, and you can see how soft and clear my skin looks. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share and like and comment.